I'm not here to question the authenticity. I just want to be assured. Pagka sa artificial intelligence, napakahirap talaga to distinguish it from the original source. Since you are presented here as a witness, alam nyo, nag-consult din ako sa digital forensics expert. Will you agree with me na it is almost impossible to distinguish an AI-generated video from the original?
Yes, Your Honor, it is hard, Your Honor.
Yeah, very hard, di ba? Very difficult. Ano ba yung digital forensic tools na ginagamit ninyo sa NBI?
Meron kaming Encase Forensic, Celebrite, and Amped Authenticate, sir.
Ito yung ginagamit ninyo. Capable ito na magsagawa ng reverse image, photo, or video, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ito ba yung ginamit mo?
For this part, Your Honor, the OBS only, Your Honor.
Kaya ako tinanong yon dahil una maraming para mag-adhere na magamit sa korte. Likewise sa impeachment court. Diba?
Yes,
pero
Your Honor.
ang pinaka-importante, yung chain of custody, of course, yung provenance.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung original na pinanggalingan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang sabi mo, pinanggalingan lang Facebook.
The Facebook was captured, Your Honor. The screen recording is the original itself as to my authentication, sir.
Yeah, and you can attest sa authenticity ng video.
Yes, Your Honor.
In spite of not being or not having originated from the original.
Yes, Your Honor. I compared the recorded with the original and ensured that the contents are identical, Your Honor.
Kasi ang pinaka mas importante, makuha mo yung original copy, yun nga, yung provenance, di ba? Para talagang, tapos masundan mo yung sa analysis, gagamitan mo ng tools para malaman mo na talagang authentic yung video. I'm not here to question the authenticity. I just want to be assured. Dahil sabi ko nga kanina, pagka sa artificial intelligence, napakahirap talaga. Almost impossible to distinguish it from the original video or yung source. And you are competent enough to ginagamit yung forensics tools, yung inyong competence mo through your training.
And experience, Your Honor.
And sabi mo nga, you've been with the NBI since 2021, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And since then, you have appeared in 30
Yes, Your Honor.
court hearings.